Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and hello to everyone. My name is Auni Binti Adam. My matrix number is AE180055. My supervisor name is Professor Madya Dr. Rosli bin Omar. My panel name is TS Muhammad Fauzi bin Zakaria. And the second one is Dr. Muhammad Hafiz bin A. Jalil alias Zainuddin. So today I would like to present my final year project 1 proposal. The title is Development of Mobile Sanitizing Robot in Operation Room. Introduction of this project is science and technology have become wider in variety area and field. Their main purpose is to assist people in completing their daily activities and solving problems. For instance, mobile robots have been used in many applications to increase productivity in industry by performing tasks such as to move and explore and transport payloads. Nowadays, mobile robots can be found in many places such as hospital, office, and home. Due to advanced robotics technology, this project will propose a mobile sanitizing robot to overcome the above-mentioned issues. This robot will be used to sanitize the medical equipment in a hospital regularly during and after the operation. Manually sanitizing all the equipment and places require plenty of time and energy. Therefore, by having the mobile sanitizing robot, we could reduce the burden of the nurses and doctors who manually sanitize the equipment during and after the operation. Sometimes, the patient that need to be operated is found positive COVID-19 without realizing. So, they need to be more careful in sanitizing and sterilizing the equipment because the COVID-19 infection is very wider. So, with the existence of mobile sanitizing robot, we could reduce the number of upcoming complications. The mobile sanitizing robot will use ultraviolet light. It works by using shortwave. Ultraviolet with a peak wavelength of 253.7 nanometer for super strong sterilization. Destroy the DNA structure of bacteria and virus and achieve at 99.99% germ killing rate. The problem statement for this project is due to limited availability of manpower, there are specific number of nurses that are allowed to be inside the room. This will result in the nurses and doctor will be burdened with sanitizing activities along the operation. This will distract the concentration of the nurses and doctors on the operation and might result in an accident to the patient. Therefore, by having assistant with an unlimited energy should be able to boost the operation efficiency and reduce the chance of getting unexpected incident during the operation. To overcome the issues above, we will develop a mobile sanitizing robot to reduce the workload required in operation room. The main objective of this project is to help nurse in sanitizing the equipment during operation. So, first objective is to identify the features and function of mobile sanitizing robot. The second one is to develop the mobile sanitizing robot based on microcontroller. And the last one is to evaluate the efficiency of the proposed mobile robot. Scope of this project has three phase, which is feature and function plus design phase, algorithm phase, hardware development phase. So in feature and function plus design phase, we had three main components that will be used is ultraviolet LED, pulse air modulation, ultrasound, and infrared sensor. Feature that may apply in this robot is face detection. The face detection is function to detect the ID of the doctor and nurse. Next is the rack for the equipment. Second phase is algorithm phase. Algorithm phase, we will be use the MATLAB and Python software. Third, hardware development phase. Design the mobile sanitizing robot with SolidWorks, and the outer structure will manufacture with plastic or aluminium, and the hardware will be tested on semester 2. Next is the methodology of the project. As we can see here, this is the flow chart of the project. So we do the start and we do the research on sanitizing robot that using UV light. Next, we will do the title confirmation. This is done in week 1. And then we do the construct the problem statement, objective, scope, and expected result. This will be conducted in week 2. Next, we do the study and analysis, draft the proposal, submit and discuss with supervisor. And if the proposal is approved, we will submit to panel and online presentation. And we do the draft chapter 1 to 3 and 4, and last we do the compile report. This flow chart is the flow for this semester. Next is the project design. Project design, we have 4 phases, which is phase 1, mobile sanitizing robot in sketching or drawing. So we had 3 types, which is we need to sketch the structure of the body, the structure of base, and structure of head. Second is the modeling. So modeling, we need to pay attention in the durability, specialization or unique, and the last one is stability. Last one, for the phase 3, we will do the programming. So in programming, we use 3 things, which is Raspberry Pi, Python, MATLAB. And from the programming, we will do the benchmarking. And in phase 4, which is hardware, we will do the assemble, testing, debug. Next is the system design. So in system design, we had 4 systems, which is first is control system, second is navigation system, third is motion planning, and the last one is wheel system. So in system design, in the control system, the main is perception, cognition, and action. Navigation, for the navigation system, the type is path tracker, obstacle detection, and remote operated system. Wheel system, the wheel arrangement of between the number of wheel and type of wheels. Next is the expected result. The expected result has 3 types, which is hardware, software, and analysis. In hardware, we expect the mobile sanitizing robot are able to move and the feature meet with our objective. And simulation software, we want to programming of the mobile sanitizing robot that are able to run without any error. And the analysis is the benchmarking analysis and controller performance analysis. As for this project is conclusion. The mobile sanitizing robot that was proposed are using UVC, and it is an autonomous device that can be controlled manually and automated. The UVC that acts as lamp are able to deactivate coronavirus and microorganisms in a record time. By applying the artificial intelligence, which is AI, integrated sensor and cameras, this provides an additional security to the robot. Therefore, our goal to help nurse in sanitizing equipment will be able to achieve, and we are able to reduce the number of infection to patient in operation room. That's all from me. Thank you.